I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another vehicle from Wheaton Honda.
They say good things come in small packages, and they don't get much smaller than this, a 2008 Mini Cooper S Convertible with the Sidewalk Package. These vehicles have a European flavor and a unique design that includes racing stripes, chrome accents, and dual exhaust. This one even has checkered flag side mirrors, which are also heated and power folding. The two-stage power folding roof means you can go topless when the weather gets nice, and it has some handy features like rain-sensing wipers and automatic headlights. Inside, there's a leather interior with heated front seats, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, satellite radio, a 6-speaker sound system, and it comes with remote entry. It's powered by a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, good for 168 horsepower, which is mated with a 6-speed manual transmission. This zippy little ride also comes with a winter tire package.
Now, if you have any questions, you can reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter. You can also head down to Wheaton Honda and take it for a spin.